Do you know there's some simple things that you can do? If you've eaten a bad meal, you don't have to feel guilty all the time and all the remorse that you have. Just do some detox drinks. We do this detox drink in our house quite frequently because it helps remove some of the inflammation, it helps remove some of the toxins that have accumulated over the period of time. So it's very easy, and I'll show you how to do it. So we use organic things like organic parsley, organic cilantro, cucumbers, and we just cut these cucumbers up into little things. I use the skin and all because the skin has very good fiber for you. That skin is very good for you. So we do that. We put this in here. Use a whole lemon. Lemons are sometimes hard to find good organic lemons, but you can find them. They're available. So you just cut this, the rind and all. Why the rind? I'll tell you why the rind. Because the rind has something called pectin in it. That pectin is extremely good for removing toxins in the bowel. Toxins like mycotoxins. Mycotoxins are things put off by mold. It works for a lot of different biotoxins. So cut this up, put this all in here, and then take a sprig of cilantro. Cilantro is known to be detoxing at a cellular function. And then we have different herbs. So these herbs are going to be ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon. And you just push them all in here. And then you use apple cider vinegar. And you use some apple cider vinegar, put the apple cider vinegar in there. Then you need a little bit of water, good pure water, not right out of the faucet where it's full of toxins. You put this all up, and then you're going to mix it up. So after you blend it, you have what looks very good. And I happen to like it. My wife and I drink this frequently. To your health.